बट फॉरबा आई वांट
उसको
टू
जब
आस्क यू कि वो क्या रीजन है कि इतने सारे टैलेंटेड प्लेयर्स को, डजेंट मैटर वो कौन कोई भी स्पोर्ट में है, लेकिन उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने में वी आर लैकिंग। और इस वजह से जो टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं वो मतलब टैलेंट दबा का दबा ही रह जाता है, काइंड ऑफ वो बाहर निकल के ही नहीं आ पाता।
फेडरेशन का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. You
राइट।
just see like in India, like every sports federation, politicians are involved. कोई
हम्म।
पॉलिटिशियन का मतलब भाई है जो प्रेसिडेंट है.
ओके।
हमारे इंडिया में स्काउट कितना होगा, क्लब के पास स्काउट ही नहीं होगा. देयर इज नो
हम्म।
स्काउट इन द क्लब.
Like, how do you
पर्सनली
take failure, you can say? How do you take that? I don't know how you'll respond to it, but Ronaldo or Messi, who is the better player according to you?
so that's why made a switch from cricket to football.
Visualization is must,
Yeah, yeah, it's
right?
very powerful. Yeah, powerful
It's
stuff.
it's very powerful, right? Furba.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah, that's correct. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so I can call you Furba, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can call me.
I have very limited time, अभी आपकी ट्रेनिंग होगी उसके बाद. So I can't
Yeah,
waste this precious time. But like,
yeah.
let's start with this. उस ट्रेनिंग में
Okay.
होगा क्या? अभी आपकी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट
Uh,
होगी, क्या क्या चीज उसमें इंक्लूड होंगी?
so basically अभी हम हमारा सेंटर जाएंगे. I have to go to our center. So this basically there's a like a business park or center where we go and like
ओके.
have lunch, do some pre-workout. Like we start a workout in the gym,
हम्म.
like do some like workout for like exercises which help us to prevent injury during a practice,
ओके. हम्म.
the real practice in the ground.
हम्म.
सो जो हमारा जो मतलब प्रिकॉशन होता है वो हम जिम में करते हैं, जैसे कि जो कभी इंजुरी ना हो, इसलिए वो जो मसल को जो स्ट्रेंथनिंग करते हैं वो
हम्म.
सब क्या बोलते हैं जिम में होता है. उसके
ओके.
बाद थोड़ा मीटिंग होता है. वी हैव
हम्म.
सम मीटिंग्स एंड देन वी गो इनटू द ग्राउंड.
ओके. लेकिन इंजरी को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए, लाइक व्हाट
या
डू यू डू?
So there are lots of like exercises, particularly for every muscle. There are different exercises.
ओके.
So we try to hit specific muscles. For
हम्म.
example, like for soldier we have different exercises. So there are a lot of exercises. It's very deep to explain because we
ओके.
try
ओके. गॉट इट.
because as a goalkeeper
हम्म.
we use every muscle in our body.
राइट.
So for that we have to like have specific exercises to prevent injuries for that muscle
हम्म.
not to get injured.
ओके. बट यू आर अ गोलकीपर, डू यू थिंक कि
Yeah.
सबसे लाइक क्रूशियल वो जो काम बोलते हैं वो एक गोलकीपर का होता है, उस आपको तो कंप्लीटली लाइक आपको गोल होने से ही बचाना है, इससे ज्यादा तो इम्पोर्टेंट क्या ही होगा?
So yeah, goalkeeper like it's a very like complex job.
हम्म.
Abhi, a lot of people or fans they don't understand it. Like
ओके.
usually because they don't see us in the ground in the practice ground what we do. Because it's a
हम्म.
very complex. It's a different sports even in a football. So like
ओके.
every only the goalkeepers can use the hand and the feet. Rest
राइट.
10
हम्म.
players they can only use their legs and like those things. They can't use the hand. For
हम्म.
us we can use our hand, we can use every part of our body on
हम्म.
the certain space which we are given.
हम्म.
So it's a very complex and it's difficult to understand. And like
हम्म.
we say that we walk on a very thin line, between a success and a failure. It's very
हम्म.
thin for us. Like between a success and a failure there's a thin line. It's like we are on an edge, and if we do some mistakes
हम्म.
we like die, or like
गॉट
it's
इट.
very
हम्म.
like difficult. It costs us a goal which will impact the whole game. So like
हम्म.
we walk on a very thin line.
बट डू
So
यू
that
फील.
pressure,
हम्म.
yeah, that
प्रेशर,
pressure is
राइट.
very different.
बट डू यू रियली फील दैट प्रेशर एज अ गोलकीपर, कि मतलब अगर एक गलती की तो बस फिर तो गेम ही खत्म, गया वो?
हाँ, प्रेशर होता है बहुत, बट इट्स अप टू यू हाउ टू डील विद दोस प्रेशर्स.
हाउ डू यू डील?
So personally, like when I go into the game, like
हम्म.
I just go with that mentality that today is the last game of my life.
ओके.
Today I have to give everything. So that mentality helped me a lot.
सो टुडे इज द लास्ट डे ऑफ माय जर्नी.
Yeah,
दिस इज अ
yeah.
मेंटालिटी
So I,
यूजुअली. हम्म.
yeah, so I have to give everything. Like I don't have tomorrow. Just give
Hmm.
everything today, and whatever happens today, let's see tomorrow what happens.
Great. But as a footballer, who do you look up to, in your field?
Uh, in my field, when I was growing up, I used to look up to Oliver Kahn. He was
Okay.
crazy. Like he was different breed. Like
Mm-hmm.
he was like old kind of breed, crazy. Usually goalkeepers are. That everyone says
Mm-hmm.
goalkeepers are crazy.
Hmm. Hmm.
Their minds are not right. So yeah, I look up.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
I look up to him. Like he was my idol growing up, and
Okay.
yeah.
But you said that their minds are, not normal. बहुत सारी चीजें चलती हैं. लेकिन I
हाँ.
want to ask this to you genuinely. सच बताना, चलता क्या है उस टाइम दिमाग में? Like, what's going on when you
चलता तो
are on
बहुत
that field?
चलता तो बहुत सारा है, क्योंकि फॉर अस लाइक वी आर अलोन इन दैट स्पेस एंड वी हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू थिंक. हमें बहुत
Okay.
सारा टाइम मिलता है, जैसे कि वी आर नॉट ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व इन द गेम. सो
Hmm.
वी हैव दैट टाइम, जो क्रेजी क्रेजी स्टफ सोचने के लिए,
Hmm.
वी हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बट लाइक
Hmm.
वी आई पर्सनली आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू be in the game,
Okay. Hmm.
never like go out of that zone, to be
Hmm.
present in that game. And whenever there's no ball, also there's no actions which are faced by me, I always try to manage the back line, always try to talk with them, always try to get involved. So yeah, for me, to remain in that game and try to remain in that zone is very important for me. And yeah,
Okay.
there are a lot of
Hmm.
things which comes in our mind, especially if like those about the mistake, like what happens if I
Ah,
do
got it.
this mistake, and
Hmm.
those things comes into mind. But you always have to play with your mind, you have to always fool your
Got it.
mind.
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
have to again go into that zone and try to
Hmm. Hmm.
like
Hmm.
deflect from those bad ideas and all.
I completely got it. Also, like
Mm.
Furba, like you know about each and every player, right?
Yeah.
हर एक प्लेयर की खामी भी पता है, उसकी खासियत भी पता है, द पोटेंशियल एंड इवन कि कहाँ पे वो डल जा सकता है. बट डू
uh,
यू रियली स्टडी अबाउट द प्लेयर्स कि
um
कौन क्या कब गलती करेगा, कब इस चीज का फायदा हम उठा सकते हैं एंड काइंड ऑफ स्टफ?
so usually अपना टीममेट का तो यूजली वी डोंट डू दैट. वी डू लाइक प्रैक्टिस में जो होता है, हम थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाता है, हमारा एक
ओके.
कनेक्शन हो जाता है.
हम्म.
बट we always try to study the opponent striker. So nowadays we have
ओके.
lots of videos, like coaches gives us a
राइट.
lot of details, like very every details what he is going to do when he
हम्म.
comes inside, when he comes into his favorite food. So we
हम्म.
try to study all those small small details, but
हम्म.
in the end, like match is a different situation. It
राइट.
gives us different situation. It's good or they put us in different situations, and in that
हम्म.
moment we have to deal with those things. And as a goalkeeper, it's always about milliseconds. We have to make decisions in milliseconds,
हम्म.
and between that millisecond, it's always about success and a failure.
And I also think that instant action and reaction, like
Yeah.
instant, you have to be like very quick with that.
Yeah. So yeah, for us,
Hmm.
it's always about those milliseconds. We have to make decisions, and in that
Got it.
milliseconds,
Hmm.
it depends whether we succeed or whether we fail.
ओके, तो ऐसा 200% हुआ होगा. स्टिल आई वांट टू आस्क यू, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि 1-2 सेकंड से ही गेम चला गया हाथ से एंड काइंड ऑफ सर्व?
हाँ, बहुत सारा इंस्टेंस है. जैसे कि
ओके.
कभी हम वी वर लीडिंग बाय 2-0, or
हम्म.
instant like we were hit by 3-2. Yeah, those things have always happened in our career,
ओके.
and
हम्म.
it's sometimes it's very nice that we do it to some other opponents, but sometimes
ओके.
when it happens to us, it's very difficult to deal with those
जब
things,
जब खुद पे आता है, सो यू फील दैट मोर, कि शिट.
yeah,
हम्म.
क्योंकि बहुत दुख लगता है, क्योंकि हाँ, एक इतना सक्सेस के इतना पास था और हम लोग फेल हो गया. बट अगेन यू हैव टू कम बैक. एंड
राइट.
स्पोर्ट्स का यही ब्यूटी है कि
हम्म.
यू ऑलवेज गेट अ सेकंड चांस.
राइट.
That you always get the second chance, even if you fail, there's a tomorrow again to make our rectify our mistakes or
राइट.
rectify our failure and get success. So
हम्म.
there's the
हम्म.
beauty of sports.
बट व्हाट इफ, लाइक, ऑब्वियसली यू वांट टू विन एवरी मैच, वेरी
Yeah.
ऑब्वियसली, लेकिन
Yeah.
हारने के बाद व्हाट्स योर माइंडसेट, लाइक व्हाट गोज ऑन योर माइंड?
And अभी as a for me
Like, how do you
personally,
take failure, you can say? How do you take that
personally, I
loss?
don't think as a failure. No, I always try to, yeah,
Hmm.
it's a learning perspective. Today we didn't succeed, but it's always, there's a learning aspect in those things. What we didn't do
Hmm.
right and what we can do right. What we didn't do right and
Right.
what we can learn from them, and we don't repeat those mistakes again and try to,
Hmm.
succeed in the next match. So yeah, for me, I think failure is a big word, because as I said
Hmm.
in sports, we always have second opportunity. So
Right.
for me, there's never a failure. There's an aspect to learn from those things, and try to
Hmm.
not repeat it again in the next coming, like matches or
Got it.
practices.
Hmm. But do you study your match कि कहाँ क्या कमी रही, क्या improvements लानी है? In
Yeah,
that.
we always do
Hmm.
that. Yeah, after the
Okay.
practice session or after a game, we always try to, we it's very like small small details, what we did right, what we did wrong.
Right.
It's football. It's a very technical game. As a
Hmm.
goalkeeper, you even like for like small like hand shape, where's your hand, that
Hmm.
defines whether you make a save or whether you don't make a save. So we
Okay.
always try to study those things. अभी अभी हमारा हैंड शेप कहाँ है, जब उसने मारा, हम क्या बोलते हैं, पैर पैर नीचे है कि ऊपर है, जो स्मॉल
Hmm.
स्मॉल डिटेल्स वी ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्टडी एंड ट्राई टू जो प्रैक्टिस में वो डिटेल स्टडी करके फिर हम प्रैक्टिस में जाते हैं, वही सिनेरियो क्रिएट करके फिर हम
Okay.
करते हैं कि ऐसा ना हो. So we always
Hmm.
try to watch our games, try to study those games and bring that to the practice session and try to emulate it again.
गॉट इट. लेकिन फॉर एग्जाम्पल कल आपका एक मैच है, तो उससे एक
Hmm.
दिन पहले आपके दिमाग में वो पूरा मैच चलता है, लाइक यू प्ले दैट मैच, कि अच्छा कल ऐसे ऐसे हो सकता है या ऐसे ऐसे करना है, एंड काइंड ऑफ स्टफ.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ओके,
So
यू डू दैट.
in the yeah, yeah. So that in our goalkeeping, it's called visualization. So
ओके.
we always try to do those things. It's help us because वो जो मतलब जब हम वो गेम सिचुएशन में जाते हैं ना, तब
हम्म.
वो back of our mind like that visualization is there, and what we in certain like seconds, like those images or pictures come out. So I think as a goalkeeper or any field, I think it's very important to visualize, what's going to happen and what you're going to do.
राइट.
That's very important, yeah. And as you said, it's like yeah, we do those things. We visualize before a game. When I'm sleeping, when I go to
हम्म.
bed, I try to visualize what's going to happen in that scenario, what I'm going to do. Yeah, so we always visualize.
एंड आई थिंक डजेंट मैटर आप कोई भी फील्ड में हो, कोई भी काम करो, विजुअलाइजेशन इज मस्ट.
Yeah, yeah, it's
राइट.
very powerful. Yeah, powerful
इट्स
stuff.
इट्स वेरी पावरफुल, राइट.
Yeah.
ओके. सो फुरबा, अभी हर फुटबॉलर की तरफ से लाइक फुटबॉल जब भी आएगी एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. आई डोंट
Uh,
नो हाउ यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट, बट रोनाल्डो और मेसी, हु इज द बेटर प्लेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
so I मुझे लगता है both are different, different kind of player,
आई
and
न्यू
I
आप ये
feel
जवाब दोगे.
uh, as
हम्म.
a footballer, I'm not a I have to state a fact. I'm not a Ronaldo fan or a Messi fan.
ओके.
I
हम्म.
respect both of them. They are different kind of breed.
हम्म.
Messi is a different kind of breed, and Ronaldo is different kind
But
of
like,
breed.
what is the
And
main difference between them? Like, how can you
dif-
differentiate their game?
difference, I think Ronaldo is a total package. As
Okay.
a footballer, you see like he can hit the ball, he can finish, he has a speed, he has skills, he can dribble. Whereas
Hmm.
Messi is naturally gifted player.
Okay.
Like what he does, like I think no footballer can do that on the pitch. Cutting
Okay.
8 10 players and going so smoothly and then finishing the move. So
Hmm.
yeah, those two breeds are, I think it's very different kind of breeds, and both are legends. They have achieved everything in their career.
Hmm.
I think there's no stats that differentiate between them. They
Like, you
both
can't
scored the
compare them. You can't
yeah,
compare them. Hmm.
yeah, I think both have scored equal amounts of goal or assist equal amount of assists they have made. So I think they are both like I respect them both, and I think
Right.
both of them are legends.
Okay. So you have given a very good answer. But I
Hmm.
think this is the fact. ये question ही गलत है.
Yeah,
रोनाल्डो या
मुझे
मेसी. हम्म.
I think जो मतलब रोनाल्डो रोनाल्डो का फैन है जो मतलब वो होता है कि मतलब क्योंकि ही लाइक सिंबलाइज द हार्ड वर्क, लाइक जो मतलब कुछ भी अचीव कर सकता है हार्ड वर्क से। आई थिंक
हम्म।
जो आदमी उस पे मतलब रिलेट करता है वो रोनाल्डो का फैन होता है,
राइट।
you know because like we relate to someone like, yeah, he has achieved everything with his hard work, so we can relate to him and we are fan of his. Then you come
एब्सोल्युटली।
Messi, like he's naturally gifted, he's
हम्म।
simple, he's like, so again, those like who are like modest, who are like, naturally gifted, I think those like those kind of people like tend to move
हम्म।
towards Messi.
ओके।
But as a
बट
footballer, I think we
हम्म
can't have those things.
गॉट इट, बट आई
So
टेल यू व्हाट हैपेंड फुरबा, लाइक आई मेड अ वीडियो कुछ टाइम पहले। इट वाज अबाउट गेस द प्लेयर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, कि आपको
yeah,
गेस करना है वेदर आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रोनाल्डो और मेसी। और मैंने
yeah,
3 4 उसके अंदर चीजें बोली जिससे कोई भी अगर कोई फुटबॉल खेलता है या देखता है वो समझ जाएगा कि रोनाल्डो के बारे में बात है या मेसी के बारे में। फ्यू
yeah, yeah.
पीपल थॉट दैट आई एम कंपेयरिंग देम, कि मैंने ये
No,
बोला
no.
हु इज मोर बेटर, बट द क्वेश्चन वाज दैट हु आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो
Yeah,
पीपल लाइक लिटरली दे स्टार्ट fighting in the comment section. For example,
yeah.
you are a Ronaldo fan and you said
Yeah,
Ronaldo is better. Now, for example, I am a Messi fan. Now,
yeah,
I'll fight with you. कि आपने क्यों बोला रोनाल्डो इज बेटर एंड आई प्रूव टू यू दैट नो, यू नो मेसी इज बेटर।
yeah.
मतलब देयर फैंस दे आर ऑन नेक्स्ट लेवल, दे कैन लाइक
Yeah, yeah.
लिटरली फाइट। वो लड़ाई भी कर सकते हैं ये प्रूव करने के लिए कि रोनाल्डो बेटर है या मेसी।
Yeah,
बट आई थिंक दे बोथ आर डिफरेंट। ये
yeah.
क्वेश्चन ही गलत है जो मैंने पूछा, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट।
Uh,
दे बोथ आर वेरी डिफरेंट बट परफेक्ट।
yeah.
ओके फुरबा, लाइक वी टॉक अबाउट फेम, फुटबॉलर्स का फेम कितना होता है एंड ऑल ऑफ द स्टफ, लेकिन वो सेक्रीफाइसेस क्या क्या होते हैं, क्या क्या सेक्रीफाइसेस करने पड़ते हैं यहाँ तक पहुंचने के लिए और इससे आगे जाने के लिए, जो आपको एक गेम में रहने के लिए बनाने पड़ते हैं।
There are a lot of sacrifices. It depends on stages.
ओके।
When you are starting and where you are playing professionally, I think those sacrifices are very different in different stages.
ओके।
For example, like when I was in the academy, like I always used to be away from my family.
ओके।
That is one important aspects. Coming from Northeast India, I think the weather is very different in plain areas of India.
राइट।
So we have to adjust to those weathers. We have to adjust, uh, sacrifice being away from the family, you know
हम्म।
um, और बहुत लंबा है क्योंकि सिक्किम, आई एम फ्रॉम अ वेरी लाइक रिमोट विलेज इन नॉर्थ सिक्किम। सो
ओके।
मतलब घर जा पाना बहुत मुश्किल है in
हम्म।
academic days. And now like again, like we miss like small like celebrations in our family. Like I miss
गॉट
my
इट।
brother's wedding.
हम्म।
So those are sacrifices we have to make, and to be consistent and to be in the top level playing for like big clubs like Mumbai City FC.
हम्म।
And there are a lot of sacrifices, and I think those sacrifices define us, define you as a person, and make you
राइट।
stronger.
बट यू मिस्ड योर ब्रदर्स वेडिंग।
Yeah, I missed my brother's wedding.
ओह।
There are a
हम्म।
lot of stuffs I missed, like my close friends' wedding, and a lot of
ओके।
things. Like I think a lot of things are there which I missed, and there are more sacrifices which you have to make. Like uh, I can't like recall like the
आई
sacrifices I made,
आई
but
कंप्लीटली गॉट यू। हम्म।
yeah.
बट एज अ नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्लेयर आपके लिए सब नॉर्मल था या थी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स बीच में, कुछ हर्डल्स, या एवरीथिंग वाज स्मूथ?
I think for me everything was smooth.
ओके।
There was no problem at all.
ग्रेट।
By जो मतलब जो weather जो मतलब condition face किया वो different था. मगर
हम्म।
जो मतलब as from a people perspective, I
राइट।
think it was easy, because
ओके।
everything was like normal. Like whatever
हम्म।
happens in Sikkim or whatever happens in like plain areas, I think people are not different. Like
हम्म।
we mingle very well, and I
राइट।
think I didn't people wise I didn't face any problems, but condition wise I faced a lot of problems.
लाइक एब्सोल्युटली, लाइक वे पूरा
Yeah.
चेंज ही हो गया ना। सिक्किम इज वेरी
uh,
डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस
yeah,
प्लेस
yeah,
दिल्ली मुंबई। बट आई गॉट यू।
yeah,
ऑल्सो
yeah,
लाइक यू मेंशन योर फैमिली, लाइक
Yeah.
इस पूरी जर्नी में आपकी फैमिली का क्या रोल था, लाइक स्टार्टिंग से अब तक?
मेरा भाई का आई थिंक ही हैड अ बिग पार्ट टू प्ले बिकॉज
ओके।
क्योंकि me I started playing like cricket. At first I started playing cricket, then I
ओह।
moved into football, because like my brother, they were a very like big sports fan in general. I'm also
ओके।
a big sports fan in general, not only
ओके।
football.
हम्म।
So my brother, they represented like state team. They played for national
ओके।
and not
हम्म।
international, but state level they played, and
हम्म।
they represented Sikkim.
हम्म।
So they inspired me to be something in same category like sports.
ओके। हम्म।
So they inspired me to play cricket at first. Then when I saw like there was no opportunity in cricket in Sikkim. Sikkim
हम्म।
generally northeast, there's no scope for cricket because everyone loves football. So
राइट।
that's why I made a switch from cricket to football. So yeah,
ओके।
my brother, they had a very big role to play. Generally, they inspired me to take sports as a
हम्म।
career.
ओके। बट लाइक जनरली लाइक बॉयज आर नॉट दैट एक्सप्रेसिव, लेकिन
No,
आपके और आपके भाई की इक्वेशन क्या है? लाइक आर यू बोथ एक्सप्रेसिव थोड़ा बहुत भी, या क्या इक्वेशन क्या है इन शॉर्ट?
I think like you said, boys ज्यादा expressive नहीं है हाँ.
राइट।
Compared to like जो मेरा माँ के साथ जो मतलब जो एक्सप्रेसिव है, उतना मेरा माँ के साथ नहीं है, मेरा भाई का साथ है, क्योंकि from a small age we used to play sports together always.
ओके। हम्म।
So we used to have fights, we used to have discussions. So we are very
हम्म।
expressive to each other because of
ओके।
sports only. If I think if there was no sports in between, then I think it would be a different scenario, to express those feelings. But
गॉट इट।
now we like he played sports, I'm playing sports. So
हम्म।
whenever I need advice, I go to him because he understands my
ओके।
feeling and I
हम्म।
understand his feeling. And as a sports person, what we go through, he only understands. My mother don't understand because she is
राइट।
into a different field. So yeah,
हम्म।
in that way, we are very like expressive. We are very open to each other because of the football or cricket or any sports.
हम्म। बट इट मीन्स क्रिकेट फुट जर्नली स्पोर्ट्स की
Yeah.
वजह से आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा हो पाया, वो एक
हाँ, अच्छा
बॉन्ड
होता
अच्छा
है.
बना,
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा बन गया.
बट
It's a
ग्रेट।
very like a good. That's why I think sports, everything is very important for the kids. In the
राइट।
school, everything I think because it teaches you a lot of stuffs. I think
हम्म।
जनरली जो मतलब स्कूल का जो किताब जो सिखा नहीं सकता लाइफ के बारे में, वो आई थिंक स्पोर्ट्स सिखा देता है जल्दी.
राइट। हम्म। बट फुरबा, डू यू थिंक कि फुटबॉल या फिर कोई भी, स्पेशली इफ वी टॉक अबाउट फुटबॉल, कि इसको प्रमोट करने के लिए स्कूल्स में एक एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस डाल देना फुटबॉल की, या इसको प्रमोट करने के लिए और बहुत ज्यादा इसका जिक्र होना, ये कुछ फैक्टर्स मैटर करते हैं ताकि बच्चे भी इसको जाने और इस चीज में जाएं?
Yeah, I think in terms of those things, I think we are lacking behind like countries who are doing well, very well in sports, like compared to USA, compared to China.
राइट।
We are lacking behind because I think we have a one sports period like in a class. So I
और
think
वो भी
it's
मिस हो
like
जाता
very
है
tough.
जनरली।
वो भी miss हो जाता है. And so I
हम्म।
think I think we need lots of like pushing pushing I say
हम्म।
पुशिंग चाहिए जो स्कूल में, जो मतलब हम बच्चे लोग को और स्पोर्ट्स में एक्टिविटी ज्यादा होना चाहिए. आई थिंक वी ओनली सेलिब्रेट स्पोर्ट्स डे एंड देयर इज वन एक्टिविटी
राइट।
स्पोर्ट्स डे.
हम्म।
सिर्फ एक ही बार मना रहे, बट कंपेयर यू सी इन यूएसए, दे take college football very seriously. It's
राइट।
very different, like so that's why they produce a lot of athletes compared to India.
हम्म।
And I
बट
think if
हम्म।
if I think as a personally I feel like if you produce lot of athletes, I think जो गवर्नमेंट पे जो जॉब का बर्डन आता है वो भी कम होता है. I think
राइट।
personally I
हम्म।
feel because
हम्म।
I feel in Sikkim also, you see Manipur, you see I think there are a lot of football players, there are a lot of Olympians. They put less pressure for the government to create more jobs because I think they are well capable of being independent and earning from sports. So
हम्म।
I think government should more focus on sports, I think,
बट फॉर आई
in
वांट टू
schools,
आस्क
everything.
यू कि वो क्या रीजन है कि इतने सारे टैलेंटेड प्लेयर्स को, डजेंट मैटर वो कौन कोई भी स्पोर्ट में है, लेकिन उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने में वी आर लैकिंग, और इस वजह से जो टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं वो मतलब टैलेंट दबा का दबा ही रह जाता है, काइंड ऑफ, वो बाहर निकल के ही नहीं आ पाता।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक फेडरेशन का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है. You
राइट।
just see like in India, like every sports federation, politicians are involved. कोई
हम्म।
पॉलिटिशियन का मतलब भाई है जो प्रेसिडेंट है, कोई मतलब एवरीथिंग which federations like happens, it's related with the politicians. So I think in big big positions, I think there should be knowledgeable people who
हम्म।
who have more knowledge in certain sports. Like for example, जो फुटबॉल में है, जो मतलब फुटबॉल खेल चुका है, जो मतलब फुटबॉल के बारे में नॉलेज है,
हम्म।
उसको प्रमोट करना चाहिए, जो आई थिंक इन टॉप पोजिशंस, so that he can understand those things which is needed in the ground level.
हम्म।
जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है ग्रास रूट
हम्म।
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. सेकेंडली, वी हैव लेस कोचेस इन इंडिया. इमेजिन
ओके।
करो, जापान में आई थिंक देयर वर अराउंड लाइक 3,000 pro license coaches. In India, we have 10 coaches, pro license wala.
ओ।
So I think there's a big gap between those things. जापान में जो है,
हम्म।
इंडिया में जो कोचेस है, आई थिंक there's a like huge gap.
ह्यूज
So
गैप, राइट। हम्म।
yeah, this shows us what we are lacking behind, because first of all, grassroot जो coaches है वो very important है.
हम्म।
If right age में right coaching और right मतलब वो नहीं मिले, तो एडवाइस नहीं मिले, तो फिर हम ग्रो करने में बहुत मुश्किल है ना. तो आई
हम्म।
थिंक दोज स्मॉल डिटेल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हमारा जो मतलब स्काउटिंग है वो अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारा मतलब क्लब डजन और फेडरेशन डजन हैव दोस प्रोफेशनल स्काउटर्स,
हम्म।
whereas compared to like I can't give example about other sports, but I'll give example about football only. In Premier League, you see like every club they have around like 10-15 scouters who go to different like grassroots स्कूल में जाते, लोकल टूर्नामेंट पे जाते,
हम्म।
स्काउट करते और एकेडमी में लेके आते हैं. इतना स्काउट करते हैं.
ओके।
हमारे इंडिया में स्काउट कितना होगा, क्लब के पास स्काउट ही नहीं होगा. देयर इज नो
हम्म।
स्काउट इन द क्लब. So how can we like recognize a talent in a very small age and bring into the academy? जो
हम्म।
मतलब हम लोग ट्रायल क्रिएट करता है, वो मतलब एक दिन का ट्रायल होता है, एक स्टेट पे जाते हैं, एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी ज्यादा नहीं होता है. जो
हम्म।
राइट बच्चा को जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट पहुंचना है, जो मतलब न्यूज पहुंचना है, उसको नहीं पहुंचता है. But
हम्म।
if he like have a scout and he like is into those things yearly, आप 12 महीने आप स्काउट कर रहे हैं,
हम्म।
हर स्टेट का कोने कोने में जाके आपको यू कैन फाइंड दोस जेम्स. बट
राइट।
हमारा जो क्या
ऑब्वियसली। हम्म।
एकेडमी है, एकेडमी एक दिन जाता है, एक बड़ा सिटी में ट्रायल क्रिएट करता है, उधर से बच्चा सेलेक्ट करके आता है.
हम्म।
तो आप यू कैन
हो
फाइंड.
ही नहीं पाएगा ना ऐसे, ये
हाँ,
प्रॉपर
हो नहीं
सिस्टम ही नहीं है।
पाएगा.
हम्म।
Proper system. Whereas in like Europe, like a club has different scouts, like 10-15 scouts. Yearly 12 months they are in the road, they are on the road and
ओके।
searching for those gems. So
एंड आई थिंक
those
दैट्स द
small
रीजन कि वो कंट्री वहां पे है,
that's why
बिकॉज दे
those
सर्च फॉर द राइट टैलेंट।
they are right talents. Though they put effort, they are very professionals. That's why they
लाइक
are
ऑल्सो
there.
फुरबा, आई टेल यू व्हाट हैपन इज, लाइक मेरे एक दो दोस्त हैं जो फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, एंड व्हेन दे जब वो स्टेडियम जाते हैं तो वो खुद बताते हैं कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहुत अच्छा फुटबॉल खेलते हैं स्टार्टिंग से, लेकिन
Hmm.
आज भी वो उसी ग्राउंड में फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, उनका
That's right.
वो आगे नहीं जा पाए।
Hmm.
राइट एडवाइस नहीं थी, उनको समझ नहीं थी, या जो भी है, चांस नहीं मिला,
Yeah.
बट दे आर स्टिल ऑन दैट फील्ड, इवन दो
Yeah.
दे आर कैपेबल कि वो आगे जा सकते हैं, बट यू नो
Yeah.
स्टिल दे आर देयर। बट ओके, ओके, लाइक वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई वांट टू आस्क यू, इस गेम में डज हाइट रियली मैटर?
I think as a goalkeeper it matters a lot,
ओके।
because for us एक मतलब small in से मतलब save होता है. For example,
हम्म।
average goalkeeper of Premier League in England, like top division league, it's 6'1", average goalkeeper height.
एवरेज, ओके।
Yeah, average height is 6'1". So
हम्म।
I think for a goalkeeper, height really matters, because for us, whether we save or not, it depends on the inches. So
राइट।
height really matters, and it affects also. Like
ओके।
when you compete with European clubs, forget
Hmm.
about the Asian top clubs.
Hmm.
If you compete with European clubs, they are, every players are giants.
Hmm.
So you see Africans also, they are well built. That's why they are playing in top divisions in England, in Europe. So I
Right.
think
Hmm.
physically, it
It
matters a lot.
matters. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
What's your
again,
height?
my six, little bit six up, 184
But
centimeters.
great. Like I saw your photos and today I saw like
Hmm.
मैंने वो दिखाया अपने भाई को and he was like height तो बहुत अच्छी है and I'm like yes.
But again,
Perfect.
you take
Hmm.
example of Messi. They are very naturally gifted players like
Right.
what to say, Jardin Shaqiri.
Hmm.
They are not big, but they are very talented.
Right.
They really worked on their weakness, and they are very fast. And yeah, again, they can compete in top level, and they are legends. But
Hmm.
now I can't say, yeah, if you have a small height, you can't be in a top level. It's up to you
Hmm.
what you really can sacrifice, and what you are
Right.
made of.
I completely got it. What will be your advice for upcoming footballers? Like that you like something you have gone through and now you have to like अब आपको अपने से छोटों को अब एडवाइस देनी है क्या होगी वो?
आई थिंक मेन चीज है, आपके पास टैलेंट चाहिए. टैलेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Okay.
बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज mentally you have to be very strong.
Okay.
If you are mentally not strong, and if you if you don't focus on your mental health, and if you
Hmm.
really don't put effort to improve your mentality, I
Hmm.
think
Hmm. Hmm.
you won't succeed. Because I think as a goalkeeper, I speak for us. I think 40% is our talent, 60% is our mind.
Okay.
So you have to really up your game. In mentality wise, you have to up your game always.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You can't like lag behind that.
Okay.
टैलेंट आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, डिसिप्लिन हो तो आप मतलब यू गो टू द ग्राउंड, यू पुट एफर्ट, इट कम्स. बट मेंटालिटी, आई थिंक इट्स वन थिंग विच कोचेस कोई भी सिखा नहीं सकता.
Hmm.
तो वो आपको खुद पे ध्यान देना चाहिए,
Hmm.
बिकॉज फॉर अस इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Right.
सो या वन एडवाइस इज दैट mentally you have to very very strong.
Okay. बच्चों का हो गया. Any advice you want to give to the parents ताकि वो अपने बच्चों को इस फील्ड में भेजें
I'll speak about football. Like, parents, I think, uh, just भारत में क्या बोल सकते हैं, I think encourage your child to play sports, not only football, any kind of sports.
Hmm.
It helps them to grow maturely very fast. They
Hmm.
tend to see life in a very young age, and they grow maturely very fast. So
Hmm.
always try to push your children into sports, even if they don't make the career in sports. I think it helps you to in other career also. If
Right.
it teaches you never give up, work hard, stay
Hmm.
disciplined, always be consistent.
Hmm.
Consistency is very important.
Right.
If
Hmm.
today yeah, consistency दिमाग में आएगा तो थोड़ा मैं वो करे elaborate करेगा.
Hmm.
क्योंकि अब एक दिन तो दाल चावल खा सकता है, मगर वही एक साल खाना है तो बहुत मुश्किल है. तो
Right.
इसीलिए
Hmm.
कंसिस्टेंसी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब एक
Hmm.
दिन ग्राउंड जा सकता है,
Hmm.
वो मुश्किल नहीं है, पर 365 डेज ग्राउंड पे रेगुलरली टाइम पे जाना,
वो
इट्स
मुश्किल है.
कंसिस्टेंसी
Hmm.
दैट defines whether you become successful or not. So yeah,
Right. Absolutely right. Hmm.
yeah, push your children to be consistent in whatever they do. Yeah, that's what
Hmm.
I'll say.
Great. Okay, Furba, I saw a quote today related to football. It was that here we don't play for the applause. Here we play for the love of the game.
Yeah,
Okay. How
yeah.
much do you agree with this quote?
Yeah, I agree 100%, because me, as a I never thought I'd make career into sports.
Hmm.
When I started, I it was a pure love for sports. That's why I
Right.
started. So yeah, it's a pure love, and whatever you said, it's 100% true.
Okay. Okay, so Furba, now let me conclude everything. I'll tell you my
Mm.
experience to be very honest. आपके पीछे एक घड़ी लगी है मैं उसमें
Yeah.
टाइम देख रही थी कि जैसे ही 35-40 हो, आई शेल फिनिश एवरीथिंग, क्योंकि इतना लाइक 1 से 2 घंटा आई कैन हैव माई कन्वर्जेशन ऑन गोइंग विद यू. To be very
Okay.
honest, there's so
Yeah.
much to ask. There's so much, to like find the questions and ask, निकालने के लिए
Yeah. Yeah.
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. बट विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आई नो आपको ट्रेनिंग पे जाना है. दैट्स द ओनली रीजन अभी मैं इतनी जल्दी आपको जाने दे रही हूँ, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बट
No problem. We can do it next time again.
आई विल लाइक व्हेन
Yeah.
अगले साल, अगले से अगले साल, व्हेन वी विल हैव द स्टूडियो, आई विल डेफिनेटली कॉल यू. I'll stay in
Okay.
touch and
Sure.
I want that podcast to be recorded there. But Furba, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
Like
Thank you. Thank you for having
I
me. Yeah.
genuinely enjoyed it. बहुत सारी नई चीजें जानने को मिली. एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, अभी 1-2 घंटा और बातें होती, लेकिन जस्ट बिकॉज आपको ट्रेनिंग पे जाना है, नाउ आई एम फिनिशिंग दिस. बट आई
Yeah.
टोटली लव्ड इट फुरबा, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग.
Yeah.
Like you're the first
I also
footballer to
want to,
come
yeah.
on Muskan on here, and I absolutely loved it.
Yeah. I also want to say something.
Hmm.
Thank you for calling me. It was pleasure, you
Hmm.
having me, and whatever you asked, I think it's a very interesting questions, and I hope it will help the kids or anyone who
Sure.
watches
Hmm.
this podcast. So yeah, thank you for having me, and again,
Hmm.
I hope in future we meet again and we have this conversation.
डेफिनेटली श्योर, एंड दैट्स द
Mm.
ओनली इंटेंट कि जो भी बच्चा या जो भी इसको सुने, एटलीस्ट कुछ नॉलेज उनको मिले, इनका
Yeah,
वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम ना हो, कुछ तो उनको
yeah,
जानने को ही मिले. बट ऑल्सो
yeah.
फुरबा एज अ पर्सन, like you are very sweet, very humble, and I like literally loved it. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
being this kind person, and once
Yeah,
again thank you Furba for coming.
yeah. Thank you, and all the best to you also. I
Thank
hope.
you so much, Furba. Thank you. Now, all the
Thank
best
you.
for your
Bye.
training. Okay, I'm just ending the meeting
Yeah,
now.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you so much. Bye, bye, bye.